Love top, I'm tweaking, but I still gotta fight my demons. I ain't no good, I'm evil. I ain't been clean since Eden. It's a war going on outside. Make you put your hands on your head like the Macarena.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Crisean. If you're new, thank you for watching my channel for the first time. All these newcomers, welcome. If you want to, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. It means so much to me when y'all do. For y'all who are returning, what's up? Hi. So today I'm doing a minimalistic everyday makeup look that I use predominantly when I'm going out. It's not full glam and it's not my minimal foundation, no makeup kind of look. It's kind of like, if you watch my channel, that's what I do. It might be spruced up just a little bit more because every day I add something new or I take something away. But yeah, so this is what it's going to be, everyday minimal makeup look. So today, as always, I'm going to be using the Fenty you would think that I know this about her by now, the Fenty 440, and that is her right there. With my Fenty 430 concealer. But we're going to start off with a primer, y'all, because I have never used, this is the Milk Hydro base grip primer, and I tell you, this has changed the game for me, I feel, because when I get home, I'm a sweaty mess. I am a sweaty mess, and my face look like it's falling because the makeup isn't shifted, I didn't sweat it, all that good stuff. So we're gonna go in with a primer, and I'm just gonna do a little boop, 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 and boop, just a little. Nothing too crazy. And to me, I don't know, it's because of my face skincare. Some people say primers feel drying, but I don't know if this is truly drying because of my skincare routine. So I don't know, because I still look kind of glowy, and I like that. So we're gonna go with the foundation right now, and I like to put it on my hand. When I went to Philly, y'all, I put it just on my face, and I thought that was just too much. It was giving too much. But what I am going to do is do quite a lot right there, because that's where a lot of my dark spots are. But everywhere else, we're going to go pretty light.
You thinking the next hit, holding on to treasures, lusting after pleasures. I become addicted to this feeling under pressure. I get plenty loot these days, I swear I never let up. It's embedded in my genetics, like nice clothes and seeing where the night goes. Lately when the lights slow, I just get like light bulbs. Attempted to right wrongs, I carry a light load. I travel the right roads, I see how the dice roll. I talk that they need to hear, tell it how I'm dealing with it. They been on that silly shit, I rap to pay the billies, bitch.
And y'all probably noticed by now, but I do not like putting foundation on my eyelids. I feel like it makes me look like a completely different person, and I don't like it at all.
In the classroom cutting up, acting like the bigger kids. My hood was really everything. The bros was more than tenants here. I was barely tenant shit. Couldn't kick a flip for shit. Just copped it within dip till niggas start to steal that shit. See what we've been dealing with. Let's get broad as filthy here. Hate the fact that I wasn't surprised to hear when Chris got killed. Like I'm barely fitting things. Fuck about me fitting and keep you at a distance. You do like seasons always disappear. I believe in Tuesday and Wednesday. It's been a few days.
Like we just need a little bit more on the eye and the mouth area.
It's been a few days. Since we had FaceTime, no it's cliche. My time is Thursday, I miss the old days. I need a replay. You could catch me laying in the flowers, lungs full of them vapors, losing track of hours. Your lip balm on my taste buds, laying in the flowers, lungs full of them vapors. My mind been hella clouded. Hey, who am I complaining? My life was barely tainted. My daddy made it home most nights. My mom didn't know complaining.
Alright. So let's go in with our concealer.
I just wanna see you make it to the world, so out of pocket niggas down, but the praise is really not someone to talk. I'm out here trying to leave my mark and find how best to play the cards I've dealt without losing my heart. I always had the vision far-sighted. It feel like my life, some like a movie where I might just play a part. Always in it for the art, my nigga. That was from the start of this. I said I never changed. Still empathetic, still split the credit. Because of inner weapons. Lately I've been counting many blessings for the lesson learned. Upon I collected. I've been skipping school and I've been tested. I've become a finder when I feel depressive. I've been gaining traction, but I feel accepted. I've been running in place. I'll never show my face. I just wanna stay my peace.
Alright, let that sit for a while. So how have y'all been? Because I've been good for the most part. You know, life is lifing. Trying to be on my grind or whatever, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, hope it's going good with you. Hope you're finding inspiration in these videos because I'm trying. So thank you for watching. Alright, so we're gonna start blending with my concealer blender. And I need to wash these brushes. I mean these sponges.
Hey, popping like I'm supposed to. Watch out for the people that ain't close to. Speak a little something you could toast to. I ain't tryna hear about what you won't do. Moving like I'm into. Hit the ground running like the rain do. Speak a little something that you're into. I ain't tryna hear about what you do.
Alright, so those bags are going away as we speak. Alright, now I'm going to use this e.l.f. Luminous Putty Bronzer. If y'all saw my vlog when I got this, I just recently got this. And to be honest, I've been loving it. So, that's what I'm going to use because I've been loving it.
You got plenty to smoke. Show up and act up and back to the crib. I do not stun, I just rap what I live. Seem like they doing the most for the clout. Did what I said so they know what I'm about. Show up and act up and back to the crib. I do not stun, I just rap what I live. Hey, winning like I ought to. I ain't wanna do it, but I got to. Smoking what my doctor told me not to.
Not too much, but I did feel like it does give me some kind of dimension. Some kind of snatch effect, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy.
Hater, boy, draw a play up. I flip my wrist, a lay up. She wanna lay up. I gotta get it, I'ma stay up. I'm all the way up. I got my pay up. I ain't playing with you. I'm a coach now. Commentating, do the most now. I be somewhere booted with my toes down. Made little baby tooted with her nose down.
So, up next, we're going to go in with this eyeliner. And this is something new that I've incorporated into my makeup look. So, I'm definitely going to have to use this Fenty mirror since I would have to be all up in the mirror. I can't see anything in this little mirror. Alright, I had to do that off camera, y'all. And I went a little heavy on it too. So this is basically the completed look. We have to go in there with a little highlighter. And I use the, this is the mascara. I mean the L. Putty bronzer. So we're going to do mascara. And I can do this. So this is the Milk Kush mascara.
If I take the job, bet I get it done. I said it before, I'm a 101. I just caught some ones, only wearing ones. Fornicate the funds, money made me calm. Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock a tech. You want that chain, you better cop a vest. I roll G's and they grind me. Now I'm on my game, nothing is the same. Who am I to blame? Money made me change. Cardi in my ring when I'm switching lanes. Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Now I got $1 for all those rainy days. Ain't have a day off in like 80 days. I got hustles in like 80 ways. Kids if you won't take a lazy day. Wifey on me told me take a break. I keep going to the paper street. Then it's trips out to Montego Bay. If I take the job, bet I get it done.
So let's go with the highlighter now. Alright, so the highlighter I'm using is this L'Oreal Lumi Glow Nude highlighter. And I'm using the darkest shade right here.
Rather be alone in my zone writing poems. When I get in, I take a shower, read a book and feel empowered. Smoking on that sour got me counting down the hours, thinking of all the shit that they could do but won't allow us. Then I realized they all some fucking cowards. The world is ours. Me and my brother twin like the towers. Me and my brother twin like the towers, and we want it
and bam! This is the look. Now let me get that wig on and show y'all my whole zhuzh.
Life been moving fast lately, trying to get a grasp in. Every day I'm mad lately, never let it drive me crazy. You do this for my old lady, yeah.
They told us stay quiet, better close your lips. We never thought we'd get our chance to speak. So we just stay grinding, trying to hold our chips, and thank God for our chance to breathe. They told us stay quiet, better close your.
Alright y'all, here is the finished product. My minimum makeup routine, everyday routine. This is when you'll see me going out to dinner or something, or I don't know, to lunch or something. Maybe I'll do a full glam, I don't know. But I don't know. But yes, this is the club. Even though I don't really like wearing makeup in the club, cause I don't really like being all sweaty and things. But y'all, I did not curl this wig. This is literally from it being in a box. So this is the look.
We only overseeing all the dope shit. Killing these cats with their facilities, flush down the drain, leaning through all 8 lives till that become their centerpiece.
Someone's trying to go in my mouth. But yeah, this is the finished look. What do y'all think? Do you like it? Do you not? Let me know. I told you I want some comments. So, like it, not, let me know. But yeah. So what do y'all think? So let me know in the comments below. And thank you for watching. Thank you for liking, comment, and subscribe. Oh, it's so beautiful when y'all are commenting. I love it, even if it's just like one. I am loving it right now. So thank y'all for all the love, all the support. I'm Crisean, and thank you for watching my channel, and I am out. Alright?
And thank God for a chance to breathe. So let us breathe in.